What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur, and in today's video I want to show you how to make a passive income online, and specifically give you 3 legit models on how to be successful creating this passive income. Now, I do have an exact thing that I want to show you, okay? So make sure you stick around for that. And also, I want to show you how I'm doing this thing, okay? Not just myself, but I'm teaching other people how to do it as well. And I've taught over 1,000 people how to do this exact same thing, and you could be next. So right here is my little diagram. I know it's very complex, it looks scary. Just joking, it's not very scary. It includes YouTube, it includes online courses and affiliate marketing. Now, don't go anywhere, okay? You may be thinking, well, I don't want to do videos on YouTube, okay? And I completely understand that. Like I said, I've taught over 1,000 people using this right here. This is called my Passive Income for Entrepreneurs course. It's a $7 course. If you want to take it, or if you've taken it, you already know what's inside. But if you want to take it, you know, the link is down in the description box below. No, there's no discount code. It's $7. Okay? Here's what I teach inside. And this is an actual example of what I'm doing right here. Okay? I teach people how YouTube works and how the whole process works. Okay? For example, I just told you, if you want this course right here, okay, go and get it down in the description box below. I told you that from a YouTube video. Okay? So, I just showed you step number 1. Step number 2, you go and buy the course. Okay? You go and buy this course. Now, I'm not pushing the course. Okay? You don't have to do this, but this is one of my 3 legit business models I use to create a passive income. 1, I make money from YouTube ads. Number 2, I make $7 per sale of this course. I have a bunch of courses. Okay? So that shows you step number 2. Number 3, okay? Now, in here, I give you ideas on how you can create your own passive income stream. What I'm telling you to do here is go and create YouTube videos. Talk about, it could be anything from, fishing to hunting to survival to sewing to soccer to, how to jump higher, how to lose weight, how to make money online, whatever. Okay? Show you all these different things that you can create course or kind of online courses around. But you create the ideas, you create the videos, the content over on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, somewhere like that. Then you take that traffic, the people that are watching those videos or seeing that content, and you funnel them over to an offer that looks something like this, a $7 course. Okay? Now, this course, like I said, I'm showing you, this is what I'm showing. If you want to go check it out, go check it out. The link is in the description box below. $7. But I show you, this is one of my students' results. Okay? And then you see mine down here. This is from a credit repair site, which I still have it. It's still doing extremely well. I think right now it's doing a little bit over $5,000 a month. But it's all passive. Okay? But you take traffic from YouTube, which you will get paid at some point. Maybe not in the beginning, but you will get paid at some point from YouTube ads. That's my passive income stream number 1. Passive income stream number 2 is I'm selling an online course. Okay? For example, in this video, I'm selling this course, $7. Okay? If I can become a millionaire off a $7 course, I'll have to sell a lot of them. Okay? Which I've already sold quite a bit. But can I become a millionaire off a $7 course? Yeah, you can. Now, if I bumped up the price, which this one at some point will go up, but as of right now, it's only $7. Okay? So I sell a course. The next thing I do, affiliate marketing. Well, how do you do affiliate marketing if you've already taken the traffic from YouTube, sold them a course, now what? What are you going to sell them now? Well, inside this this course right here, which is $7, if I haven't pointed that out enough already, I'm promoting things on where do you go to actually host that course. For example, the image that you saw of the screenshot of the income, that was from a course or a platform called Gumroad. Okay, so with Gumroad, I don't think I get anything. I might get like a few bucks, but it's not much. So for Gumroad, if you go and use Gumroad as your hosting platform, I think I get a few dollars. Okay, if you use Teachable.com, I think I get like 30% monthly recurring. So if you get like the $99 package, I'd get like 30 some dollars. Okay, or $30. If you get go and get ClickFunnels, which I recommend inside that $7 course as well, if you get the $97 package, I make $38, so it's 40%. Okay, If you go and get Kajabi, which is another one I recommend and is actually where I'm hosting this site from. I don't know if you can see it. Down here at the very bottom it says 2018 Kajabi. If you go and get that, I think I get like $100 and some the first month, and I think I get paid for a certain percentage for the year. Okay, so I think I get paid. It comes out like $300 some if you get it for the entire year. Okay, so and that's just what I want to show you is that's all passive income. Okay, the YouTube video that you're watching right now. Okay, for every 1,000 views, I'll probably make like $8 or $9 off it. Okay, for the course, for every 1,000 views that this video gets, I'll probably sell, or for every 100, I'll probably sell like, 3 of the courses. Okay, so for every 1,000, I'll probably sell 30. So 30 times 7 is $210. Okay, so I'll make whatever, $8 or $9 per 1,000 views. Probably about $210, $200 for every 1,000 views on courses. And for affiliate marketing, it'll probably come up to, for every, let's say, 10 people that actually buy the course, I might make a couple sales, 1 or 2 sales. Okay, not a high number, but I'll probably make an extra $150 there. Okay, so you got 200, you got 150, so you got 350, and then you got like $360 in passive income from one video. Let's just say it gets 1,000 views. Okay, from one video, and I'm just showing you how to make a passive income. I'm showing you why I created this course. I created this course because people are out there selling courses, and I sell courses that are hundreds of dollars as well. But people are selling courses on how to create a course, and this is pretty much, I'm showing you how to do it in the most simplest form, very basic. Okay, I'm showing you how to get traffic, and you can see everything you get down here. Show you the process behind the easiest online passive income stream that you can create online. That's creating an online asset. Okay, some digital asset, some online course, okay, online information product that you can take and sell, dozens or hundreds of times. Okay, I'll show you how the YouTube examples and how this process works. I show you people that are doing it besides me. I'll also show you how to get loads of free traffic from YouTube. You don't have to pay anything after this $7 other than you need to get a hosting platform to host your course. And I show you inside of it the different options you have, and I just told you that. But there's Gumroad, there's Teachable, there's Kajabi. You can self-host on a website. There's ClickFunnels, there's Builderall. There's so many different options, okay? So that's something I want you to understand there. Show you the tools and software I use and recommend, and also give you ideas for you to create your own passive income stream. All right? So let me just talk, be 100% honest with you guys right now. When you're creating a passive income stream, especially creating a course, the one thing I see so many, and like I said, I've coached over 1,000 people just in that one course, okay, my $7 course. Now, I've coached over 1,000 people, taught over 1,000 people how to create online courses. A lot of people send me emails, and if you get in the course, again, $7, and you're struggling with something, send me an email, okay? You bought a course, you bought something from me, send me an email, ask me a question so I can help you, okay? So yes, doesn't matter if you pay $1,000 for my course, you pay $7 for my course. You still have access to ask me questions. Send me an email, ask me a question. If you're struggling, I will help you get past that. Now, like I said, I've coached over 1,000 people how to create an online passive income stream using online courses. The best part about this is that, and what I try to tell and really convey my message is, your course does not have to be perfect, okay? I've created a bunch of courses. Most of them are not perfect when I launch that course. It takes me months to perfect the course, get all the information into that course, and really sell it, really push that, and really give the people that are buying, my customers, the best course possible for that price. Okay, so if you think you don't know how to create a YouTube video, you're going to talk on camera and it's going to suck. Yes, it may suck in your eyes, but you got to understand because when I watch my videos, this one video that I'm shooting right now, when I watch it, in my eyes, I'm be like, that sucks. It should be better. It should be longer. There should be more information. But when you watch this video, you might think, well, that's a good video. It's clear. Okay, I can see him. I can understand what he's saying. I can understand his message. I get what he's trying to teach me. Now, you got to understand, from my point of view and from your point of view, we're going to think the video is different. Okay? The toughest critic And it doesn't matter what it is you're doing. The toughest critic is always you. The toughest critic is the one looking you back in a mirror. Okay? So you gotta understand that. Even if your course, even if your YouTube videos, even if your affiliate links are 80%, okay? Just 80%. Okay? So what I'm talking about is if it's 80% good and 20% is just, it kind of sucks. 80% is better than nothing. Okay? You have to understand that. Now, I'm not trying to sell you on the idea of creating a passive income. You clicked on this video because you want to create a passive income in some way. The easiest way I know how to create a passive income is through you. You are the brand. Okay? And yes, you can call this personal branding, you can call this a YouTuber, you can be a course creator, you can be an affiliate marketer, whatever you want to call yourself doesn't matter. All that matters is you are taking that first step going forward. Okay? Like I said, this is a $7 course. I show you how to create YouTube videos. Okay? How to get free traffic from YouTube, send that free traffic to an online course, or what I like to call a digital asset or an online asset. Okay? I show you how to do that, how to price the course, where to host the course. Like I said, Gumroad, Teachable, ClickFunnels, Kajabi, Builderall. There's a lot of options out there. And Gumroad is only $10 a month. Okay? Pretty good. It's pretty inexpensive. It's very affordable for you to create an online course. And once you have a little bit of traffic from YouTube and you send that traffic to your course, you may get 10% that convert to a sale. So if you get 100 views or 100 people that click on that link, then you get 10 sales. If you're charging $7 a sale, that's $70. $70 that you did not have before just because you didn't take that first step and create your own online income. Now, I don't want to bash you and say you need to do something because I have no clue where you're at right now. But what I do know is creating just one passive income stream can completely change your life. When I created my first passive income stream, it completely changed my life. I looked at finances, I looked at money, I looked at time completely different because now time was on my side. I had more time, which allowed me to create more passive income streams, which allowed me to really scale up my business. So, if you guys have any questions on how to create a passive income stream online, any questions on the 3 legit models that I explained, that was YouTube, online courses, and affiliate marketing, and we can go on and on from there as well. We can really build this out. But if you have questions on any of that, please ask your questions down in the comment section below. I'm here to help you in any way that I can. I've created a lot of different passive income streams. Some of them have been wildly successful, and some have been flops. So I do know a thing or two about success and failure. So if you have any questions on any of those, let me know. Hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys on the next one.